Hi guys, this is Apeni George, hair and makeup designer. Welcome to my new show. The Man Company presents expert grooming classes with me, Apeni George. So in this episode, I will try and go through a couple of pointers and couple of tips to help you understand how to get healthy hair. So guys, now we're going to talk about your hair care. The most important thing is to understand that you have to have a clean scalp. It starts from there. And make sure if your scalp is not clean, which means if you have some dandruff, if you have a greasy scalp, if you have a dry scalp, please look through and get some information and make sure you use the right shampoo and products on it. If you have a dandruff problem, please make sure you use an anti-dandruff shampoo, and that's where it should start, because it is very important to first get a clean scalp. Make sure you use a shampoo which is meant for your hair type and your scalp type. Also remember, there are many times when men are told shampoo your hair twice a week or thrice a week, and they stick to it. But that's not how you go. Yes, ideally, if you live in a beautiful world without pollution, then it's okay. You can shampoo it twice a week or thrice a week. But unfortunately, we live in this polluted situation. And if you happen to be working out or running in a polluted place, or you're working outdoors and you've gotten sweaty and your scalp's just greasy, it doesn't matter even if you shampooed it this morning, you have to shampoo it in the evening again. So always remember, the thumb rule goes, ideally wash it thrice a week, but if your scalp is not clean, if it's greasy and dirty, you have no choice but to shampoo it again and again. And also when you shampoo it frequently because of your lifestyle, remember that you have to use a mild shampoo. A mild shampoo which does not contain all the sulfates and paraben in it, because you want the shampoo to be gentle enough to take care of your scalp since you're shampooing it regularly. Also because then the scalp will remain neutral and you will not have dandruffs, or it won't be dry. In India, most of the men are used to taking the towel and just going whoosh like a chumpy on the head. Don't do that. It might be nice for you to shake your head up, but not this way, because your hair, when it's wet, it's quite fragile. So if you rub it too hard, you break your hair, which is not very nice, because when you start losing hair, trust me, all that hair strands will count. So let's try to remember, just gently pat your hair dry. Wait until your hair is dry, and after that you could brush it or comb it to wherever you need to place it. Also remember, it's very important, if you have long head of hair, you never use a comb, especially after your head shower, because your hair is always so delicate at that time and you tend to break it a lot. So investing in a good hairbrush is very good for you. And remember, brushing your hair, touching your scalp before your shower is a good thing to do, because your scalp needs a lot of TLC as well. It needs a massage movement to happen so that the roots are strong, and it protects your head to not fall off easily. If you're one of those guys who also use a hairdryer after you have a head shower, please remember to use a hairdryer with low heat. If you use high heat on it and you don't know how to use it, you're going to damage your hair roots again and your hair shaft as well. So please remember, hairdryer, use it only when you are very comfortable with it. Check with your hairdresser. Pick it up, use it correctly, and keep it on low heat. So guys, I hope you like this episode, and the next episode will be my last episode for the season. So stay tuned, and until then, happy grooming.